5 Best Robot Vacuum. Number 5. iRobot Roomba 880 Vacuum Cleaner. Room navigation uses a full suite. Adapt to your changing home. Room-to-room cleaning in up to 3 rooms. The included virtual wall lighthouse beacons. Tangle 3 extractors help prevent hair. Item weight, 8.4 pounds. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. NeedoBot Back Connected. Wi-Fi connected for ultimate control. Long-lasting Li-ion battery. Laser smart mapping and navigation. Real-time object detection scans. Maps the room, plans. Quieter energy-saving clean. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. Bob's Sweep BOB. Simple touchscreen buttons. Simultaneously sweeps. Washable, fully submergible dustbin. Quiet and pet-friendly. Install the battery and turn it on. Item weight, 6.4 pounds. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. Dyson 360i. iRobot Home app lets you clean. AeroForce cleaning system. Visual localization enables Roomba to navigate. Schedule and set custom cleaning preferences. Clean an entire level of your home. Dock station and manuals. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. iRobot Roomba 980. iRobot Home app lets you clean. Customize cleaning preferences. iAdapt 2.0 navigation with visual localization. Compatible with Amazon Alexa. Runs for up to 120 minutes. Cleans an entire level of your home. Please check the description for detail and price.